one. Second, Chance by Chanel. Okay? I should make like ads of perfume. Hi guys. Number 3, La Vie est Belle of Lancôme. Okay? Number 3. Number 4, another one of Dior. Okay? But it's Blooming Bouquet. Okay? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5, Wanted Girl from Azaro. A lot of people are saying Dior, but which one? There's 2 Dior. And then Marc Jacob. La Vie est Belle, I feel would go with your look. You're right. A lot of people say La Vie est Belle or Dior. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all of the other ones. It comes number 1, the roller thing. Okay, so it's either, okay, wait, we're gonna do something. Between those 2 Dior, which one? The roller one or the normal one? Wait, J'adore or Miss Dior? Which one would you guys choose? Hi, are you French? Yeah, but Canada. The roller one. You're so pretty, I think I'm in love. You're so cute. I love you guys. I'm French, but from Canada. J'adore, Miss Dior. Oh, fudge. I think the people are saying more that one. Miss Dior. Oh, shit. Nope. J'adore. One in left hand. Okay, so Miss. Okay, there's like 2 freaking sides. A lot of people are saying Miss Dior and then the other one. Il faut choisir mon parfum que je vais mettre aujourd'hui. That was my left actually. That's my right hand. It's like the mirror thing. Dior. I know Dior, but which one? J'adore. Okay, so are we like canceling La Vie est Belle? Lancôme. Miss Dior, pink one. Okay, a lot of people are saying that one for real. Why so pretty? I think I'm in love. You're so cute. Thank you guys for being so cute. We're voting. Yes, for which perfume? Okay, I think this one is a winner. Lancôme one. You use it too? Oh, isn't it so amazing? Guys, I can't decide about that one. But La Vie est Belle is so good too. Okay, you know what? I'm going to smell them and then feel the vibe of today, okay? Let's do that. Okay. Second of all, that's La Vie est Belle. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells good. But I don't know if it's the vibe of today. Wait, which one? This is not the vibe of today. I'm sorry. This is not La Vie est Belle. It's for another day. I don't think it's the vibe, Rudy. Oh my god, stop you guys. No, that's not the vibe. That's not the vibe, for real. Do you have an Instagram? Yes, I do. You guys can go follow it if you want. It's attached in my TikTok. Guys, sorry for J'adore, but it's not today. It is not for today. Let me try again with La Vie est Belle. Ah, damn, it smells good. Guys, this is the winner, Miss Dior. It just feels so like shopping vibe and like, because I'm going shopping. I'm doing that one. Sorry, this is gonna be for another time, okay? Hi, Owens, how are you? Damn, I was close. You were really close. That was a really difficult decision, but you know what? I made a decision and I'm proud of myself. For me, making decisions is really hard. But I did it, guys. I freaking did. This is my favorite one ever, like for real. I'm surprised I didn't take that one. But, oh my god, it's because this perfume is literally the definition of like me. Like, this is my smell. Like, Like for real, like, oh my god, when I wear this, I just feel so mean. Like it's so my style. Like what the heck? It's my favorite. I'm sad. Okay, but wait. Alright. Okay. I normally do 3 sprays on top. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then I put 1 here. Oh. Okay. And then I do this. I just do that. And then I'm pretty much done for real. I'm done. I did it. So now I just put them back. Hello. Maroon is my least favorite color. I like all the colors. Watch out, your rings doesn't get waste for alcohol. What do you mean? I'm sorry if I miscomment. I love it top. Oh, thank you. Any man ends up with you would be very lucky. That's very sweet. I appreciate that. Hello, you're so pretty, it's unbelievable. You guys stop, I'm gonna become shy. I need so much these past few days, so I just wanna like take a break. And I'm just gonna go out. We're gonna probably like, I don't even know what we're gonna do. We're gonna buy a gift for my little cousin, because Friday I have a dinner with them, all my family. Wow, tu as beaucoup de produits beauté. Oui, I love skincare routine. Like, I love like beauty products for like skincare and just feel good. Like this is a whole like thing. Your flyaways are next level. What does that mean? The alcohol of perfume doesn't hurt the jewels. Oh no, because they're almost all in like gold, so it doesn't affect anything. I always stay with them and I wash my hands. I take showers with my jewels. Except this one is fake, and which other one is not real? This one too, surprisingly. But I've been having it for a long time, and it's still very good. Hey yo, what's 1 + 1? What if like some people didn't know this? That's crazy to think about. Alright, let's... Hi. I'm gonna go downstairs and make a matcha latte.